Guys, the main two ingredients, it's raw oat, 1 cup, and then you take 2 wrapped bananas. Smash them. And then you take the rolled oat and you mix it with the banana. You can add a bit of cinnamon, it's optional. So at this point, guys, you can make shape of cookies and bake it as it is, but I decided to add some flavors. Almonds, raisins, and cranberries. All you need is to divide this cookie batter in 3 bowls. And then you add the first one, you can add almonds, the second one raisins, cranberries, and just mix. So you can raise the tray with a bit of coconut oil. And now we start to shape the cookies. Now guys, you need to bake them for around 15-20 minutes and at 180 degrees. And let's see the results. And they're ready. The best is to eat them with coconut milk. Bon appetit, enjoy!